What's up, it's Liam and I just got a package in the mail. I got it yesterday and I'm really excited to open it up. It's a Xiaomi Desk lamp. I was waiting for this for a week. Let's see what's inside. Chinese user manual. I don't speak Chinese, but... Empty box. It's also a European plug because I believe it's an American one. See what's inside this, assuming the power. So it's an American plug and I guess they supply you with an adapter. So at least that will work. Let's hope it doesn't catch fire or anything. And then here we have the lamp. Take this off. Some more Chinese instructions. If you happen to speak Chinese, looks very nice. There it is. Alright, let's take off the plastic here. Let's see if this desk lamp is any good. The packaging left much to desire as it had a bunch of tape all over it and it looked like it had seen better days. The desk lamp itself, however, seems to be pretty good quality, which is kind of to expect from Xiaomi nowadays. Also, the European adapter had a lot of glue residue on it, so I cleaned that up. It looked kinda nasty when it came out of the box, but these are just minor inconveniences. The lamp itself comes locked into place out of the box with this rubber bracket. You can simply pull it off to unlock it. Then you can open the lamp like so. The hinge is pretty smooth and feels rigid but not too stiff. The product itself is pretty high quality all around. I believe it is mostly made out of aluminum with just a couple of sturdy plastic components. It really just feels like a premium product. The accented cable is very nice as well and the knob turns quite smoothly with a couple of soft clicks. I did, however, find a small scuff on the top of my unit. I don't know whether this is a flaw in Xiaomi's quality control or whether this is simply a very unfortunate lamp, but it's there. It is not that big nor noticeable, so I'm not too bothered about it. I'm simply pointing it out. The lamp turns on with a satisfying click of the knob. You can change the brightness by rotating it. The lights can get both relatively dim and quite bright, depending on the time of day, how bright it is outside, or whatever your preference is. You can also adjust the color temperature by pressing down and rotating the dial at the same time. This way you can make the light very warm or very cold depending on your needs. You can also control the lamp from your phone using the Mi Home app. In the app you can turn it on or off and change the brightness and color temperature. There are some default presets, but you can also save your own settings as favorites. To change setting manually, use the top part of the application. Here you have a pretty fine control over both the brightness and the color temperature. Another nice feature is the work mode that's built into the lamp. When you turn this on, the lights will gently breathe after a certain amount of time to let you know you need to take a break. A nice addition for working or studying. Aside from using the app, you can also use the knob to turn on work mode by pressing it twice. It will gently breathe to let you know the work mode has been activated. This test is simply to demonstrate how much light the Mi Desk lamp can output. Right now it's on the lowest setting and it's pretty dim. This can be useful for throughout the day or in the early evening. Now it is on the highest brightness setting and as you can see it's pretty bright and gives off a lot of light. Very nice when you're working in a dark room or at night. So what do I think of the Xiaomi Desk lamp? Well, apart from the minor scuff at the top of the lamp, it's a really nice product. It's very nice looking, it's minimal, it's clean, and I really like how it only has one button to control the whole lamp. Also, what's nice is that you can control it with the Mi Home app. This can be very useful to save presets or have a little bit finer control over your warmth and your brightness. So overall, at a price of like 40 to 50 euros, I would really recommend this desk lamp. It's a very nice addition to your office space or wherever you're gonna put it. Alright, that's it for now and I'll see you guys in the next one.